going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to install the Catback and the Lexus IS350. But let me tell you what happened last weekend, because it was a disaster. Because that's not how I was planning on doing this video. On Saturday night I put the car on the jack stand and I spray all the bolts with baby plaster, and on Sunday morning I woke up and drank my cup of coffee, and then I started working on the car. Now I thought the bolts were gonna be the hardest things to unscrew because they were all rusty, but between 5 to 10 minutes I got all the nuts loose. And then when I get to the O2 sensors, that's where the nightmare began, because I could not get those O2 sensors off the exhaust. I just couldn't. I tried everything. I spent my whole Sunday trying to get them out. I spent half of my Monday trying to get them out. As you can see here, I have my O2 sensor socket, I have my impact range and my torque range. Everything was going fine until I get to the O2 sensors. Now I tried everything. I spray them with PB plaster. I tried to start the car, let it run for a little bit, because I heard that if you start the car, let it run for a little bit, the exhaust can get warm and it'll be easier to get them off. But these just didn't work. So at the end of the day, I didn't want to mess him up, because it will cost me more money to replace them if I trip them. So I decided to just go to the shop and have them installed. So that's what we're doing right now. Now I don't know if it because the car was on jack stand, so it was too low. It's not a lift, so I don't know, but I just could not get them off the exhaust. And as you can see here, I already put the exhaust on in the back of the Jeep, and the car is right there. All right, let's go and then put those exhausts on and see how the car sounds like.
Two hours later.
All right, guys, just like that, we are at New Performance. If you remember this place, last year, this is where I kind of my IS350 that they're working on it now. As you can see here, they're about to take this stock exhaust off. Yeah, she ain't gonna be quiet no more. Man, check out their C8 Corvette. This is freaking nice. Man, this thing looks sweet. You got the engine now. It's in the back. It's a made engine. Let me see the interior. I can see enough. It's tinted, but this is the first time I'm seeing one in real life. Actually look really nice. Check out the wheels. man, this thing is nice. I don't know what their plans are for this car. I don't know if they're gonna twin turbo it or super charge it, but it's really nice. So pretty much the make pipe and resonator is on now. Now they're just putting the axle back and then we'll be on our way to go. Look at those tips, they're way bigger than the stock, and as you can see here it says Invidia high performance. All right, it's all done. Now we're about to get the first cold start. Well, it's not gonna be a cold start because I already drive the car, but more like a warm start. Did you hear that sound? I'm in love with the sounds of it. I like it. I know it's not a V8 sound, but it's a V6, but it sounds really good. All right guys, just like that we are done. We going to do, well, our first pull. Let's see how she sounds like. Not bad. Not bad at all. So far, no drone, so we'll see. Just like that we made it home. I mean, this is how I wanted the install to be done, but because of the O2 sensor I had to go to the shop and everything went well. And shout out to Neuro Performance for installing the exhaust for me. And as you can see here, this is it. Now it smells like something is burning. That's because it's a brand new exhaust, but I love how it sounds so far. All right guys, this is it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and comment and let me know what you think. But I will do a proper cold start and warm start sound clip video so you can really hear it. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.
Perfect, 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 perfect.